Hi everyone, my name is Grace and I'm a librarian here at McAllen Public Library, and I would like to say Happy Pride Month everyone! This month I would like to feature books that are LGBTQIA+. So for MPL eAudiobook recommendation of the day is Red, White, and Royal Blue by Casey McQuiston. And my heart was so full after reading this book. It starts off with the son of President of the United States, Miss Ellen Claremont, and she has a son named Alex Claremont Diaz. He is biracial, he is half white, and he is half Mexican, and he is also bisexual. On the other side of the ocean is the Atlantic Ocean? And the other side of the Atlantic Ocean is Prince Henry Windsor, and he is the Prince of England. But because of his royal duties to the crown, he is a closeted gay man to the public and most of his family members. So, what happens when these two meet? Sparks fly, and they're not good sparks. They get into a very, very public fight, and it looks really bad on both countries. And it's especially bad for Alex's mother, who is trying to get reelected as President of the United States. To try to fix this, they are forced to pretend to be friends, and they gradually fall in love. Their love was not only between them, but you can see it between their friends and families, and you end up loving every character in this book. The author did an amazing job with the minor characters. So if you're feeling down and empty, this book will lift you up with hope and fill you with love. It is a story of self-discovery, responsibility, hope, and most importantly, love. I'll see you guys next week for eAudiobook number 11. Bye!